So after many delays and pushback in shipping, this was originally supposed to come in December of last year, but we finally got the Hot Wheels Cybertrucks in-house here. We've got the 1/64 scale right here, and then we've also got the 1/10 scale Cybertruck right here, which is just absolutely gigantic. So we're gonna save that for later. Stick that over here. So we're gonna start with this smaller one, check it out, get it charged up, and see what it's like. I don't know if it's because the Cybertruck is such a unique vehicle, but there's been more merch and like accessories that have come relating to the Cybertruck than anything else. So got the instruction manual right here and the tiny baby RC Cybertruck in here. So see how we can get that out of there. So these were available for pre-order as well. Fortunately, I think Target had some kind of deal on them as well, so I actually got 2 of these. This is the one I'm unboxing, and then I'm just keeping another one for display or whatever else for me. And there we go. This is it. This tiny little thing is a RC truck. You can see it's very similar size to the normal sized Hot Wheels. This one just has a tiny little battery in it for RC capabilities. So let's get the controller out of here. And I think this is gonna need some batteries and a screwdriver. So I will be right back. It's a shame they didn't make this rechargeable, because that would be very easy to do, but whatever. I feel like a toy unboxing channel right now. So then this tiny little thing connects, I guess it charges off of the remote. Oh, okay, it's on right now. See if this has any juice in it. Oh gosh. I don't think it would have any charge in it. It's pretty quick. Oh no. Can you grab that for me? What do you think, Bo? He does not know what to think. Oh, so it can tank turn. That's kind of cool. So if you just have it sitting there, I don't know if it's because it's slippery here, but like you can just have it spin around. Oh, it's just because it's only rear wheel drive on here, so you can just spin it around because it's slippery up here. Coming for you, Bo. Oh, what's this do? I just noticed this. Yeah, there's a lot of buttons on here that I don't know what do. Oh! Yeah, so the shoulder pad's like a turbo. Let's consult the manual. Jeez, look how big this is, just for, for one little thing. Okay, so E, which is the like left stick, is driving controls, so like forward, backwards. The other stick is for turning. Pairing / charge button. Okay, so that's probably if it's plugged in. And then G, alignment buttons. Okay, so if it's not going like completely straight, you can like adjust it so that it goes straight. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn that off and plug her in so it stays charged up. Okay, on to the big one. So this is the box it came in and got shipped in. It's got like the Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck logo on there. It's got the shattered glass right there, of course.
Oh my God.
Again, similar situation to the scale one. This was only available for pre-order. I don't know when this is actually going to be in stores. The only ones I've seen are ones that people have actually pre-ordered. Oh my gosh, look at this. Comes in like a briefcase. Okay. Look at that. That's legit. This is like solid metal too. This isn't a plastic briefcase. Oh my gosh. This is funny. Okay, so there we go. We got the little foam insert. Kind of tilt this up so you guys can see that. So we got the Cybertruck, we got the controller, we got some other stuff all inside of here. Just kind of go one by one. Collector model, 1/10 scale, 1/10 scale Cybertruck. And it's got little stickers in here for the windows. That's hilarious. And it just says, attention, this RC Cybertruck is fast. It's highly recommended you install the bumper guard for extra protection, which I will definitely do. Got the controller right here. Oh, it's got a throttle limiter on there. That's funny. So there's like a little rubber piece right here so that it only goes back so far and you can't like rev it and risk hurting it. And then this is the bumper guard, which we'll definitely be putting on. Okay, let's lift this out of here now. Oh no. Look at that. Oh, it's got like suspension on there. So let's do a mini tour real quick. I don't know if any of these doors open or not. Looks like the trunk does though. Oh, okay. Okay, so that closes or opens. It's got the little vault that sticks out. And then if we close that, that's magnetic in there too. You can close this part so you can haul stuff around. I don't think the doors move at all. Those are kind of stuck. This side, pretty much the same. We've got the charge port at the back here. I doubt that's where it actually plugs in though. And around front, we got the lights on there. I believe those are functional too. And then on the rear, we got lights as well. Okay, so here's the battery in here. See if this has any juice. This one actually has a rechargeable battery. That's nice. Ooh, it's on. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So it's got the light bar up here. It's got the headlights. And then it's got tail lights too. That's pretty neat. This might need some batteries as well. Yep, more batteries. Why can't they make this rechargeable? Slide the on-off switch to on the vehicle to complete the pairing process. Should be on now. I'm gonna hold it. Oh. I was just gonna like do it on the carpet real quick if you want to grab the camera. That thing's quick. Yeah, I would agree. Okay, we're gonna stop before we break something, but this is the Cybertruck.